What's up, guys? Today this video we are playing Roblox, the normal elevator. Yeah, it's okay. Let's go to this elevator. Okay, I need to go to my floor. Go to my top. What the? It's an eating competition. Wait, down my way. I'm trying. Well, I got money. Why do I hear noise? Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. I wanna go in. I wanna go in. I'm gonna look away. I don't wanna die. I don't wanna die. Get out here! Okay, that's creepy. This skeleton man is here. John Cena! John Cena! You can't see me. What the cut? Okay, I'm gonna mute that music because I think that's copyright. You know what? The big cheese. But there's no cheese here. I was trying to make a pun, but I can't. I can, but it will be too cheesy. Get it? Because it's he's a cheese. Let's call it a pun, okay? Let's call it a pun, okay? It's a bad joke, okay, guys? Don't make fun of me. Anyways, I'm gonna buy something. I'm gonna buy. I just bought a Krabby Patty. Anyways, what's happening? What is this? Okay, I shouldn't. Jurassic Park! Rest in peace. Let me see. What happened to my? What happened to my legs? So, it hit my legs. This is how you survive. What the? Go in the middle. It's your only hope. Or we'll all snuggle. We're all snuggling. Yay, we survived. Well, something bad is coming. I like this music. You're probably gonna get distracted by this music. Beep, bop. Oh my god, yes! Oh yeah. Take all this. Come here! Oh! Ah! More! What? I died! Well, that's how you die, people. You die in the Civil War 1999. That's how you die, people. That's what 2 people. I feel like something bad is gonna happen. Okay, our friends are back. Our friends are back. I like Antep. I will send them friends. Be a little nice. Okay, I'm going here. Oh, wait. Does that really count? Good. Where? What the heck? Well, we don't have any more guests here. That was... Okay, I'm ready. I want some Pokemon stuff. Cha la 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 blah 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 blah. Easy. I feel like this is Pokemon. Oh, friend died. I was about to get killed. I think Dude, the cha-cha slide. Right foot just said, oh, that was the... There's a bear probably. There's probably gonna be a bear there. What? Oh. I'm next. Jason! Hi, Jason. Hi. Hi, Jason. Jason? Mommy, I got another burger. What? This is regret on my leg. Someone just wasted $10. Scam! This video is now called Scam by the normal. Okay, everybody just jump. How the flip did I die? At least I get these burgers I bought with my own money. Is it let it go? Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go that you're fine. Let it go that you're not handsome.
Whoa. What's happening here?
Oh my god.
Oh, I'm really scared. So you're the ones they're talking about. Let's spin the wheel and decide your fate. What's gonna happen? Logie knows. Ooh, that's a good one. Let's do it.
Okay, good. What the? I thought. Okay, this is definitely not Pokemon. I want the Pokemon one. I want the Pokemon one. I'm waiting. Oh, kitty.
Cat, I'm a kitty cat, and I dance, and I dance. Cat, I'm a kitty cat, and I dance, and I dance. Cat, I'm a kitty cat, and I dance, and I dance. Cat, I'm a kitty cat,
Oh,
and I dance. Cat, I'm a
kitty cat. I'm kitty cat. This is has to be the mean of
I'm a kitty cat, and I'm
that was just cute. It's like a club. YMCA. Just Justin Bieber. Justin Bieber. I'm not looking at this game. I'm not looking. Survive. I'm not looking. Huh? What? Oh my god. It was just under me. 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 I think I'm still on. Oh god. Yeah, everybody, you know what to do. Yeah. You guys. This guy.
I like singing. I like dancing.
I like trains.
Oh! I love trains. I love trains. Is this I believe you can fly? I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. I believe that oh no oh 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 oh. Oh, basketball, yes. Free corner. Steal. Someone shoot. I want those bones. Give me my bone. Give me my bone. Yeah, buddy. Oh, 3-pointer. Dang it. No! No! I love basketball. I'm just saying that I love basketball. I love basketball. Are you capitated? Okay, you capitated? Okay, I'm gonna give you a big high five. This is from the Emoji Movie. High five, you suck now. Suck me in! Suck me in! Oh, I think I know this one. I love this! See you guys later. I'm gonna end this video here. Bye!